Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Sony ULT FIELD 5 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your LED lights. As you can see, now we are in the Sony SoundConnect menu application, and here we have to scroll down until we see the party light option here. Let's open that, and here we have, as you can see, party flash. For example, using the Alt button, we can see that our lights are working. We can set a custom color using this, as you can see, slider. Here we can reset our settings. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.